Have you ever had that feeling when you suddenly realize something that you were neglecting before? Or you are sitting in examination and the answer you are trying to recall for so long and so hard suddenly clicks on your mind. So ladies and gentlemen, I am Jasprit Arora and I have started this new series today, A Word with a Story, in which what I will do is that I will pick up beautiful words which you should definitely use in your day-to-day conversations, and I will tell you the words and I will also explain the meaning to you as well. But the fun doesn't end here. I will also be a storyteller and I will tell you beautiful stories in every video for every word so that you do not even forget that word ever. And when you see that story, when you listen to that story as well, I will tell you how you can use that word in your day-to-day conversations as well. Interesting, right? So let's begin with this video. So the word of the day is epiphany. So epiphany is a moment of sudden realization. So epiphany is something when something suddenly clicks your mind and you start thinking about all the things in a different manner. So that is what an epiphany is. So now let's come to the story. When I was a child of about 5 years, I used to love playing. Well, who doesn't? So one day, my dad took me this beautiful theme park. As soon as I entered this wonderful theme park, I asked my dad if I could go and play. And so I ran towards these fun rides and started enjoying every second. But after 2 long hours of playing and enjoying, I got an epiphany that I could not see my dad anywhere. Where was he? I ran here and there, but still couldn't find him. And after searching for him for 1 whole hour, I again got an epiphany that he reminded me that he will be sitting in a cafe alongside the pool. I ran towards the cafe as fast as I can and found him having coffee in his hands and smiling. I quickly hugged him and told him that I loved him. Well, now I'm sure that you have understood the word epiphany. When I lost my father, so I got an epiphany that I lost him. That is a sudden realization. And the same happened when I got in one more epiphany that my father reminded me that he'll be sitting in a cafe. So that is exactly what an epiphany is. If you have any questions, you can always let me know in the comments as well. By the way, let me give you the clue of the next word as well that's gonna come in the next video. That word will help you describe the deepest of your feelings, something that you cannot describe, something beyond words. I will tell you about that word in the next video. So you make sure that you press the bell icon and the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on that next video and the next word. So welcome to this series, A Word with a Story. Adios.